Babe, किती होतं गो?
अरे
हा? हे क्या?
भुजी
भजी भजिया बरी काय नाही म्हणत सारखी. हा झाली
थंय मरे
आणि किती
किशा तेंका लागून चोडे घायल ना सेम घायल ना
कापी काढू नाही
ना कप घालपा ना
किती
बेकिंग सोडा
हात बी धुलाय मग हो? ए?
तुझ्या तर बरे असतंय
अरे एंजलच भजी घेऊन येला. हा दाखव
I'm just really excited to try it.
या आणि तू किती घेऊन येला प्लेट
Yeah.
ए
Yeah.
तू हातो भजी हातोले
Yeah.
किती हातो तू भजी
Boy.
किती हातोले
Boji.
भजी
Boy.
तुझं आहे
Boy.
कोण केले
Mama.
मामान केले
Boy.
तू हातो का भजी ऐ आणि मारिया किती घेण्यातच मारियाच आमचे स्पेशल च्या केल्या हे आम्ही हाडलेले गोंयस हाडलेली बेस्ट जाता हे एक दुधा च्या केलं पळय सारकी कारण तू च्या पितो गो बाय होय
Boy.
तो भजी तर आहे बेब याचा चा रेडी आहे तो हात मगो भाई तो लिहाय किसा तू चा पितोले
Boy.
चल पितो
No, no.
अरे बाका ओ दाडा तो
No, that's
Huh? योजो
No, that's
Nana. काराको बरे शी पडा शी बरे हापा बोला तरी भजी
Okay, that is Mama.
बाहेर बघ तोंडा हा पाऊसही पडताल बरं
Dada.
त्याने हापा में जाते
What?
दॅट्स माइन
Yeah.
ते तू हा मगो
No.
ओके डिश
That is that is that was this Bogota and so this
भजी हे भजी ब्रेड पकोडा हे किती
that is bread Bogota. That is bread Bogota. And that is that
Boji.
Boji. And
नी चाव हे किती
that is chow and this chow boat.
सो चाव पिता पिता गेम हेडे आम्ही ओके इवनिंग टाइम गाइस वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले गेम विथ फॅमिली तू किती क्वेश्चन विचारवा तू विचारपा आता यू हॅव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कॅन आस्क
प्ले
there is a deck of cards with me and there on this decks of cards there are some questions over here ते किती रॅन्डम क्वेश्चन आहे तू किती आहे ते कॉल तुका ते बिस्तांग गेलो लिचोवपा बिकॉज फॉर फ्युचर थिंग्स दॅट आय वॉन्टेड टू डू so this came up and so yeah so if I will pick up a card
वाय
okay there is this question okay who is someone who always make you smile or is always there for you when you need them
मी फॉर
yeah of course the question is for you I asked you
Sure.
okay you read
Who is someone who always makes you smile or is always there for you when you need them? You.
Ago even angel also makes smile
Yeah.
angel you dance at show you make smile
No, yeah.
yeah
Seriously, I smile because of my family.
yeah but that's who is someone it says
Yeah. First is you.
same for me also is the same makai tense tu kon ke hasu eta
Yeah. Makka Jesu.
good answer
Good answer. Dog or cat? And why?
I prefer cat
Why?
cat ती बरी आसा कोजी घरा भितर आसता ते सुण्या ते भायर वर त्या टॉयलेटीवर आनी तें कोणाको भाशेन आसा आनी हिंगा तूं नको युके कितें पोती गेलो गोंय कितें बाबा चल भायर वच ओ खंय टॉयलेट बी कोण येता आपणाक हिंगा सुण्या गेलो तो टॉयलेट जो भायर केला पोतयेन तूं तेका गू काडचो पडटा आ वयशी हांवें भुरग्यांक गेले म्हाका नाका गुस्त पड्या हे कितें करूं ना रे म्हगे पुतालो
तेगे नाना कोत्ता.
हांवें नानो केला
Angel's job, yeah.
No? Okay, angel, let's see what angel is got.
Okay, doctor.
Who is your role model and why?
My role model is Mama. Because
Oh.
she dresses up very nicely.
Yeah?
She organizes herself nicely. And her makeup is also nice.
Very. I like that answer of yours. But you have to be like Mama. Sometimes you don't be. You be like
Dada.
Dada. Again, Dada sarke smart together.
She even does my hair and it's really nice.
तुझको कौन जाए?
Well, my dada is my mama and she likes my dress and she like my makeup.
She said the same thing.
Gela pitto.
Okay.
Okay, and now it's your turn. Now your turn. I'll ask. Okay, you pick up. You pick up one. Let's see.
Have you ever had a nickname?
I should read this for you. No. Have you ever had a nickname? What was it and why?
Okay. I normally never had a nickname when I was in my childhood or anything.
Yeah.
I was always called Nadia only. But when I met you,
Yeah.
you gave me a name which is Baby.
Yeah,
that time I
that's
have a name because as a nickname. No, Mama.
Maria, तू एक काढू पया तुझे क्वेश्चन आला कितीच या.
Read.
Okay. Okay. You've given a superpower. Choose one and use it. तुका एक superpower मेवलो म्हणतो. Power. कहलोय.
तू कित
कहलो power घेतो किती होता त्या powerची?
म्हाका जेजुगे पळयत आत्म्या पावर येयली न्ही.
ओय.
हांव संवसारा आख्खी लोकां पासत हांव देवाको मागतलें सगल्यांक बरी भलायकी दी आनी राख आनी सांबाळ म्हण.
Very nice. Very wise. सोड लोक तेच को चित नाही पण बरं चितते आयले कुत्ते चित आला. Okay, Angel. Okay, give one for Angel first. Let Angel pick up one. Okay, Kisha want to pick up. Okay, Kisha.
Or this one?
Anyone.
Or that one?
Let me read Keisha's, yeah? Who is someone who always makes you smile and is the same one what Mama had?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who makes you smile, Baba?
Me.
You only make yourself smile?
Mama want to like my makeup.
She's saying the same.
Like my makeup. But
तुको कोण हसयता? कोण हसय तुको कोण हसय तुका?
did Mama like my makeup?
कैसे डेसी तें चलय बरोबर.
She like my nails, but
She like your nails?
yeah.
तुगे nails कोण कातले?
Dada.
दादा कातले?
Yeah.
बरे मग तू बोजिबो लागली?
Angel's turn.
Wait.
Okay, Angel, your turn. Okay, take.
A time when you faced your fear, what was it and how did you face up to it?
Okay, take this and give. You understood what's the question, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the phobia was. I didn't have any fears actually.
You didn't have any fear?
I only had a fear of the dark. Spiders.
Okay.
But then, small ones I'm not scared of because they don't bite.
Yeah.
So that I'm not scared of small spiders. I'm scared of spiders,
Yeah.
big ones, okay?
Alright.
But I'm not scared of the small ones because
They're
not harmful.
Yeah.
They don't bite.
Yeah. But you still call me when there is a smallest spider also is there?
They're like this.
There
big
was
sometimes.
this small spider.
But these small.
And Mama also said there was that tiny spider.
I don't like insects.
And there was so much spider here.
Right?
Yeah.
तू कोणा भितर?
Now let's ask her. and she answers
यांचा
it.
आपण स्पायडर किती करतो बे? आणि तू क्वेश्चन विसरले जातो बे हा?
Okay, wait, Kisha, you have to remove one.
आता एक काढू आणि बिस्टे स्पायडर करतो बे आपण बिस्टा त्याने एंजलला स्पायडर म्हणलं ना.
Okay, let me
Okay,
read.
Okay,
If
Mama.
you could help someone this week, who would it be and why?
And there was angel and this spider down and this was spider down and this car.
चल तू कसं करे त्या काय येतो गोष्ट तू कोणा हेल्प करतो गाडा एवढे स्पायडर होते बरे हा तू ऐकवलं तू मामान की सांगले तू कोणा हेल्प करतोले
Mama is run this one she's holding my and she like my nails.
मामा लाइक्स हर नेल्स व्हेरी गुड तू कोणा हेल्प करतोले
The other one first Mom, I help you because your mama help me both.
बिकॉज मामा हेल्प्स मी
Yeah.
तू किती हेल्प करतोले सांग
That for Dada and Mama.
वय तू हेल्प करतोले
Yeah.
कोकणी उलय किती उलय
Why?
किती उलय
Mama
किती उलोवपा जाय
open kotale.
व्हॉट यू वांट टू बिकम
I like the one that's when Mama like my makeup.
ये तेजेर उरलोले हा कॅसेट तिगा उरलोले हा ओके आता अरे जला गेट व्हॉट यू वांट टू बिकम
Okay, honestly, I want to be a cheetah.
यू वांट टू बी अ चीटर ओके
Why?
चीटर oh
A cheetah.
like cheetah you want to cheat in the school and like that
Like the animal who has fur.
I thought cheetah
Why?
okay why
I want to be that because first of all, it's really fast, and when I want to be
yeah
is that when it's my school race day.
Sports day.
Yeah, which is basically a race.
Yeah.
So, because there are lots of races there. So, in my sports day, I would want to be so I can make my team win.
that's very nice you tried you're not of if anyone tries you oh you lost there's no losing at all you tried you were there in the sports you did your best losers are those failures are those who don't even try at all so anyone who says anytime oh you lost or you this no you were part of it you did it and you are always there and you're going to do it better for the next year person who did not try only no you should encourage them try it do it never get scared I tell you always never get scared of doing anything for dancing for performing for talking for anything do not get scared of anything it's okay to do wrong things and say sorry but rather than just hiding yourself and just saying like okay I did not do anything it's okay to say sorry everyone does mistakes right I also do mistakes and I say sorry तू किती 5 क्वेश्चन किती काढलो आहे चैता का 5 क्वेश्चन किती मेजर
For you, yeah? It's 5 questions.
अब चाव दी मुझे थोड़ा जायचं
Who do you respect most out of the people you know and why?
the people who I respect the most
Yeah. Who
So
are the people?
I will not go to me there are many people who I respect मैं सासू माँ बोला तेगा और respect करने किन मोटे के तो का हाँ बरं जाऊ नाही सारखं कॅमेरा लावून
जाऊ म्हाका बरें मेळ्ळें चेडूं बरें मेळ्ळें सून बरी मेळ्ळें
चेड्यापाशी कोण तुका
होय पूत बरें मेळ्ळें म्हाका आनी नातरांय सारकी आनी फामील म्हागे सगळीं बरी मेळ्ळ्या
to respect also जाय जाण आहात I have my family there is there your family I respect everyone knows that okay I put my forwards myself always but who do I respect the most no there's only one person like spot on as you Hore our world rotates around each other and hore tu kisa I respect Nadia because I fight with her ज़्यादा किती मुट्टा I take it for granted also but when it comes to stand this आमगे झोगडी आमगे ओलोप like disagreement that is when we stand together only but I have more respect because of her because if I stand today very well you know that she always been there for me and if you are not there what will be the thing that also you know and if there was no respect the way how we have for each other I don't think so our relation will be standing so strong today it's just because sometimes I might not like the things just because I respect her I will be quiet there will be so many things she will not like about me that things I do not like but isko ekmeka mo kaha padau ki kota my actions will not like but then she will be cut just because she respects me for that and because that respect only we do not sacrifice or we do not be quiet it's just because we love each other we get along with those things and we try to make those as a habit like Nadia pahil ranpa hobara so na lole but then we started living and she together and I'm going आज त्या रांता आज बोजी पे तेणे केले ये बोजी आज चाव बरोबर कोण लावलेली आज बोजी तेणे कोण हवेला why because we wanted to make. She adopted that life for herself, and I think so. That is the only biggest thing I would say. Like, my biggest respect first is for my wife, and if I can respect my woman, then I can say I can respect all the other women around the world. Sarke Mango?
Yeah.
Okay. The next one, yeah? Shamit? What is one thing about yourself that you are proud of and why?
Proud of my biggest proud is like my family. Like, yeah, my pride is you. Yeah. Being a husband, being a right husband, I'm very proud of myself. Ma kone hui or ubu kelni tahlu go manano. Open challenge go to kona koi hui adandur. What kind of husband I can prove myself anyway, anytime. Yeah. Second, being a proud father, because I know how we raise our kids, how much love we give, how much we correct. Angels get lots of shouting, lot of sometimes like what I pay to pota, yakai pota, but I tell them also for what to correct them to make them good. So we know as a parent how much love we have to give for them and how much we have to. Like, I'm not comparing to others. This I'm talking about myself. What I'm proud about. First about being a husband, second being a father, and third I'm proud about my own self for what I am today. Because I know where I come from and from where to what I've achieved in life and for where I've been. I have told you yesterday, it was not far away at time when I was talking to someone. I did say that thing, right? Like I was listening to someone's podcast, and that time they said like, okay, he did not have his childhood only, and I was like, okay, what's childhood like? Okay, when childhood like is 17-18 वर्षाचे असतात भाई 18 वर्षाचे भुरगे कोण हे आपण त्यांना एन्जॉय करताय न्ही खूंय भोंवपा वयताय कितें वयताय. I did not have that life. I started working. Kamal Allah rokodo. And I did not have that life at all. Like, I was like more responsible. I was being taught with that. Like, okay, like I was in that. I did not see my childhood at all. When I was like in a hotel also, when I started working, I had get friends. My friends, they came to my restaurant where I was working. Not one or two, but it was a big group. Like, so bike began at all. And I was working, and I even served them as a waiter also at that time. That day, when I see myself back, and today if I see myself where I'm sitting, feel I'm very proud about myself, what I made for myself. So that's a big achievement, a big journey that I've walked and I've done. And not many people believed in me as you did, but that is one, that I can tell about myself. I'm proud about it.
So the third one is,
Yeah.
What was your favorite childhood snack?
My favorite childhood snack, तेन्ना कितें बरें लागतालें. तेन्ना गाड्यार गेलो, ते गाड्यार कितें आसता तिके बोलार, पूण म्हगे फेवरेट आसलो ते लाडू ते काजरा बी मेळटा तेन्ना ते बेसन लाडू धाकटे येता पळय ते बरें लागता म्हाका. दॅट इवन टुडे माय आयज लिगून ते केन्नाय कोण येत जाल्यार धाडून दिता म्हाका. कोण येयल्यार म्हाका तेच धाडटाय चडशी. म्हाका लायक ते. पूण अशें न्ही आतां हांव येता म्हण म्हाका लाडू दिवचे कोणा गोंयांत तेन्ना बी लाडू नाका म्हाका एक मेळटाय लाडू.
Okay. Where is your happy place and why?
Home. I'll be very happy at home. कित्याक म्हाका पयलींच्या संवय ना. As I said, म्हाका ते पयलीं केन्ना I did not have the opportunity to be out and do celebrate and have fun. तेन्नाची संवय नासलो ती म्हाका ती संवय नासलो केन्ना भायर वचपाची. I mean, now I feel very peaceful. Like when I come home, like okay, भुरगीं आसता, तूं आसता, सगळे आसता. It feels like okay, you're home, and home is like relaxing. Like तूं कितेंय कर, तूं कितेंय नेस केसोय भोंव, कितेंय जे कितेंय हा, जाय जाल्यार न्हीद ना उठ. खूंय गेले जाल्यार कितें तूं तशें भोंव पडटा. तें जाता खूंय बेजार येता मागीर. म्हाका चड लायक ना भोंवपा बी. I like most of the time I would like to spend with family at home. That is my cup of tea. Other than that, I don't think so. I'll be my happy anywhere else. I don't be. तुम्ही ना ना खूंय म्हणटा 5 स्टारान लेगून रावले जाल्यार I'll be sad. पूण हांव तुमी हाय आनी हांव तूं लेगून खोंपी लेगून जाल्यार हॅपी हांव तशें करून.
The last one, okay?
हांव बरो टफ आसपा जाय दिसता म्हाका.
What is the most valuable life lesson you learned growing up?
Valuable lesson. Many lessons that I've learned in this journey, like it was not easy sometimes, because as I said, when you are someone is like a self-made person, no, they always adopt the good things, and then when the bad things come, no, they learn along the journey, and like that I've learned a lot of things. Few of the things, if I would say one, where I've trusted too much on people, like people have opened up, I have opened up, and I opened up so much, I would speak everything, and then people took it for okay, expectations so high, and people thoughts were so much. I never barged on a very same this. What do you say that? Same on parallel line. I was not there with anyone. It was always a differentiate or anything. So yeah, I think so. If the strongest, I would say in that, what I've learned, where I've opened up, but what I've learned is silent. Being silent is become a very strong key for me. I don't, even at my workplace or anywhere, I don't speak a lot, very less. I try to communicate. I don't try to respond to anything. Respond in sense, if there is any arguments or agrees or disagrees also, I don't try to put my point across to prove okay I'm right or something. I'll say one word, in that one word I will explain everything, and I'll just be aside. So I try to avoid people as well in life, like toxic people, I will say, not like anyone. When I find something which is not going very well, and if I find the vibes are not matching, I will keep a distance. Somebody has to understand, okay, I'm trying to, it's not that they are keeping distance, I'm trying, already made that in my mind, I've created that distance. So the distance I will create, and I will not try to communicate a lot on that. I will try to keep as neutral as possible. I'll be okay talking and all, I'll talk hi, hello, I'll do, but I will not give a response to anything of and I don't like to be a part of anyone different person's conversation when I don't know the other side of the story. That is not, I don't like to be in that. So yeah, this is lessons of life for me. मग मगे एक्सप्लेनेशन मात चड जाता तें बरें व्हडलें जाता, पूण कितें कळतें बरें न्हू सगळ्यांकूच तुमकांय. आनी आय थिंक सो देर इज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑल्सो विल हॅव द सेम थिंग इन लायफ. सो आमगे चाय विथ कॅशली एंड नारिया. वेलकम टू एंड मारिया. चाय द मारिया.
चाय द मारिया.
आमगे इट्स अ session of Chai Di Maria. Questionnaires by Nadia and Kashdi. So guys, small but sweet. Hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you तुमकां सगळ्यांक तुमचो इतल्यांकू. हय आमी हेजे भशेन शियां बरी भजी केल्या, तुमी भजी करची, मारिया भाशेन चाव करपा तुमी हें करची. कपो खंयसान गेले काय म्हणल्यार तुमी जाता म्हाका जाता खंयसान गेले बाबा, कॅन यू सेंड मी द लिंक बी म्हणशी. हांव तें लिंक धाडचे पयलीं सांगता हें मडगांव बी सेल पडटा पळय केन्ना थिंग मेळटे. You all have enjoyed watching this vlog. Yeah, तुमकां फन जाला. तुमकां लायक जालो कर. तुमकां लायक जालें कर.
तुम लायक जाले.
होय.
कुरसामुली असलेले सायबिनी मागाचे पासून
तें उरलो तेगे लास्ट टायम.
हें गेले फाटी उरलोलें. हें बाक उरतालें.
Mother Mary, in the foot of the cross, please to play for us.
For us.
Tetelestai. It is finished.
ही उरलो ते गेले, ही दोन उरलोले गेले फाटी. ते पयर मागीर उगडास करता म्हाका. Okay, so guys, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say?
Adios.
Adios.